All right, let's talk about the ramrods. We have a double ramrod and a single ramrod. What these are for is for your drop rods, for your double drive gates, or even a drop rod to hold a gate open. Potentially, you can use for that as well. Double drop rod on a double drive gate. We have a rod on either gate. A single ramrod if you just use the one drop rod. What these do, they prevent the problems of the callbacks of using pipe in the ground. For many years, we were just driving a piece of top rail or a piece of conduit in the ground, and then a drop rod will go in that. But eventually, that fills up with dirt, and when it does, we get a call back from the customer saying they can't get the drop rod in the pipe no more. Can you come out and fix it? It's definitely not worth our time to go out and fix that. So how do we solve the problem? Is we got to come up with some way of pounding or getting that drop rod locked in the ground and something that won't fill with dirt. For many years, we just eliminated the pipe and the conduit from the equation and just pounded the drop rod into the dirt. But the problem is over time that starts to wobble that hole out, the gate starts moving, and now we have additional problems with the gate not staying closed. So the ramrods, the way this works is you'll pound this into the ground like you would the pipe before, but inside this is not a round cylinder hole. It's slotted. First, that allows the rod to go in, and if the gate moves, sags, or heaves at all, that rod has a channel to hit. So it's not just hitting a little hole, it's hitting this entire channel. The bottom of this is not flat. So inside this cavity, it's not flat. So as the rod goes down, this is rounded, it'll push any soil out, left or right, that starts to build up in here. There's no way to get dirt compacted in there. So as the rod goes in, it pushes the dirt up and out of the cavity. So it's literally self-cleaning. And if anything does get stuck in there, it's really easy to grab your finger or anything, a stick, and wipe the dirt right out of it. The homeowner can take care of that. So no longer have to worry about dirt getting compacted in the pipe. No longer have to worry about the gates moving back and forth because this has got a steel reinforcement on both sides to keep that rod from moving. And then no more worrying about the pipe in the ground not line up with the ramrod or line up with the drop rod as the gate moves through seasons because it has a slot in it. So this should be used with every single one of your double drive gates. It's a no-brainer. Ramrods, single and double.